Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are still answering additional mathematics for 2024 GCE paper 2. And we are going to look at question A, which came under question 6A. Okay, so the question reads, solve the equation. We have 3 cos theta plus cot theta is equal to 0. For 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degrees. So first thing, we are going to write the equation. We are going to write the equation that you have been given. So in this case, we have 3 cos theta plus cot theta then is equal to 0. So next thing, next stage, look at this cot theta that we have. So cot theta is a trigonometric identity which gives us cos theta over sin theta. So this one gives us cos theta over sin theta. This is what cot gives us. So here we are going to write 3 cos theta then equal to 0. Then from this stage, what we are going to do is this. We can try to factorize because the cos theta is common. So we can factor out cos theta like this. Then we say open bracket. So cos theta into 3 cos theta, we are just going to remain with a 3. Then plus cos theta and cos theta, it's a 1. So here we are going to remain with 1 divided by sin theta. Then equal to what? 0. So from here, we are going to just equate cos theta equal to 0 and 3 plus 1 over sin theta equal to 0. So we are going to have the first equation, which is cos theta is equal to 0. So now, we want to find the value of theta, of which, to remain with the theta on the left-hand side, we are going to find the cos inverse of 0. So we are going to say theta is equal to cos inverse of 0. So now what we are finding here is the cos inverse of 0 will give us, say, alpha is equal to what? A 90. The cos inverse of 0 is a 90. So alpha is equal to 90 degrees, meaning that theta here is a positive. So in the first quadrant, all angles are positive. So the first value for theta is going to be a 90 degrees. Then we need to identify in which other quadrant is cos positive. So it's in the fourth quadrant, okay? So in the fourth quadrant, we know that we have this formula, theta is equal to 360 degrees minus alpha. So here we have 360 degrees minus the alpha, it's a 90, this one that we found here, it's a 90 degrees. So this means that theta is equal to 360 minus 90. This gives us 270 degrees. So this is the other value for theta. So remember, we have not answered the entire question. We have not found all the angles that are needed for theta, because we are remaining with this 3 plus 1 over sin theta, which we should also equate to 0. So we are going to rewrite it just down here. So we are going to rewrite this. So we have 3 plus 1 over sin theta is equal to a 0. So again, we want to find the value of what? Of theta. So we can let this 3 go to the right hand side. Okay, so we are going to remain with 1 over sin theta is equal to a negative what? 3. Now from here, what are we going to do? So from here, we are going to have something like this. We are going to have sin theta is equal to 1 over negative 3. This is what you are going to have. Okay, so how have we come up with this? So you start dividing. Okay, you start dividing, and that's when you're going to come up with 1 over 3. Okay, so now we can proceed here. We want to find the value of, let's term this one as alpha. So we are going to say alpha, okay, alpha is equal to sine inverse of 1 over 3. So when you are getting here, this 1 over 3, don't get it with a negative sign. So this negative sign is just telling us that sine is negative. So the negative there just indicates that sine is negative. Okay, sine is negative. So you need to find in which quadrant is sine negative. So sine is negative in the second quadrant, in the third quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant. This is where sine is negative. So from here, what are we going to have? So you can press on your calculator. You press shift, then sine inverse of 1 over 3. So this will give us 19.471. Then we have 220. Then we have 634. Okay, then we have 490. Then we have 7. So we can leave our answer correct to 1 decimal place. So alpha is equal to 19.5 degrees. Okay, 19.5 degrees. So this is just for alpha that you have found. Now let us find the actual value for theta. So remember, we have said sine is negative in the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, in Q3, this is the formula that we use. We have 180 degrees plus alpha. So here we are going to say theta is equal to, so 180 degrees plus the alpha that we have is 19.50. So when we add 180 plus 19.5, okay, degrees, we are going to get 199.5 degrees. So this is the other value for theta. Now let us find the other value for theta, where sine is negative is in the fourth quadrant. So here we are going to say in the fourth quadrant equal to, we have 360 degrees minus alpha. So here we say theta is equal to 360 degrees minus alpha. We have found that is 19.50. So from there, we can now do the subtraction. We can subtract where we say 360 degrees, take away 19.5 degrees. We are going to get 340.5 degrees. So this is the other value for theta. So we can just say, therefore, theta is equal to, remember we found the first value for theta was 90, comma, the second one was 270 degrees, comma, the third one that we have found, that we have 199.5 degrees, comma, then the last one is this one where we have 340.5 degrees. So these are the values for theta. These were the required values. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.